Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're well. Dumelang. And a special hello to Oupa Maluleka. Today's very excited. I have a gift that I got from Oupa Maluleka. He's a shoemaker. I'm not sure how old he is, but I think he's in his middle ages plus, and he's making shoes at the moment. And he sent me a wonderful gift. I'm about to open it, so I'm going to give you an opportunity to share this moment with me. I'm quite excited. The box feels a little bit too light. It doesn't feel like gold anymore, but Oupa, let's check it out. Let me put this here. All right. Just using my knife, so I don't go anywhere without it. When obviously if I'm traveling internationally, I'm not using this knife or anything. And if you're at home, don't do this. Dangerous. Remember, don't just smoking either. But anyway, we gotta go check our Oupa stuff out. So here we go. Hey, by the way, I'm getting a lot of hits about the jersey collection. Thank you very much. I am considering giving some of my jerseys away for charity. Just a hint for the next webinar. Start saving, guys. So I may put some stuff up for the less fortunate and stuff later on, so we can auction some of these jerseys off and make some money for the poor. All right, here we are. One thing for sure, Oupa really knows how to pack his shoes. I think Oupa's idea is to tire you out so that by the time you finish open this, you're just gonna love it. Okay, there you go. Oh wow. You know what this smells like? It smells like when you're at school and you got that glue smell. You're at your desk when you're doing stuff together. The first smell I got was that glue smell. I'm not propagating smelling glue. I just haven't smelled this for years. And I was a kid and I remember this looks amazing. Oupa, thank you. He's so cool. I'm sure there's guys at the office that are going to make orders with you. But this looks amazing. And Oupa sent me 2 shoes. I'm just kidding. No more. I'm going to just try them on and get rid of these cheapo Gucci's here and climb into Oupa's shoes here. So because it's quite cool. So Oupa sent me a big size here, man. Oupa, what up, man? Thank you so much, Oupa. This is fantastic. Actually, it's just right. I think it's just like laced in it. And it's very cool. I'm going to lace it up and I'm going to put a picture of it a bit later. This is the shoe. Hey, Oupa put me the M in here, bro. You should have put it in a color. But that's cool. Did I say I don't want a color? Okay, fine. But this is so cool. Oupa has made these by hand. Not by machine. Not by any Eastern people manufacturing them. It's got a nice inside to it as well. A nice inner sole, actually. The shoe's made beautifully, and he made it just white. It's very cool. You can see it's handmade. Thanks, Oupa. It's on. And I'm going to give you Oupa's details because he's an entrepreneur trying to make a bit of money so that he can make his brand successful. Please go out there and order. And Oupa, will you look at giving them a bit of a discount? So I'll get you the details. And please reach out to Oupa. Oupa, thank you very much. And thank you very much, everyone, for listening to this. Bye.